Lakewood means rewind, a gunshot means forward. You requested it, so we rewind.
Hello angels, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I remove the glue residue from my wig. As you can see, I've already started on one side. This method is literally the most easiest method, I promise you. This is a short bob wig that I'm selling for a client, well, a customer on Depop. If you guys are interested in looking at more of my wigs, you can follow me on Depop, which will be in the description box below. The residue glue you can see is still on here. What I do to get it off, all I need is the dirty wig, shampoo, hot water, and a washcloth. And so I turn the hot water on, dip the wig in the water a little. You can put the towel in the water as well. I put a little bit of shampoo on the towel, and then I also put it on the wig as well. You really don't even need shampoo, but of course it's just better to clean it. But really just hot water in the towel really gets the job done. When I start, I just go upward. I just go in one direction as I brush the glue off with the towel. You might need more water. More water isn't bad. Less water is worse than more water. And you just keep going in one direction. You'll kind of see it starting to go to the edge of the lace. And then really you can just pick it with your hand from there. Or if it just decides to come off with the towel, you can do it that way. And I just let it come off with the water sometimes too as well. When I tell y'all this is the most easiest method, it's literally the most easiest method. I have searched for so many ways on how to clean a wig. I used to like brush it with a toothbrush and everything. But this is literally, literally the most easiest way. I keep saying literally because I want y'all, it's literally the most easiest way, for real. You start to see it starting to come off. I just continue to do the same thing that I was doing, and then I rinse it, get the glue off, rinse it again. It's the same cycle. Of course, it's still makeup on there, but that comes when you wash the wig yourself. I haven't washed this wig yet. Get into it. No, I'm playing. But nah, it's really coming off so easy. If you do this method and you got it from me, please let me know, because y'all, I'll be happy when I get to put y'all on this stuff. I like to, of course, go over it, make sure that it's all off, and then you can just rinse it. And then if you still see some, of course, you can go over it again. But it's usually, for me, it takes a good, 2 to 3 times. And now my lace is clean. It has no glue residue on it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now it's time for me to go wash my wig. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if it was helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. 'Cause I be the baddie beat, Bobby Tank.